Okay, video documentation, part 1, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series 55 in progress. This is actually the second day. I spent a good number of hours working on it yesterday and again today. And it has to do with Facebook's having blocked my account of 13 years on December 26, 2021. After I posted footage on YouTube of Facebook's commercial seen on ABC News without any closed captions, after I posted the URLs of the videos I took on ABC's Como affiliate Facebook page, Facebook blocked my account of 13 years, which had 800 friends. And Facebook blocked my being able to access a number of pages I administered, so I can no longer use them. 2 pages with 1,276 likes on human rights and Holocaust education with art, a page on pedestrian and bike safety, and 4 pages on vision harmful website and hard copy graphic design like text, which have 357 likes. And we have a triple image of a December 1972 lino cut I made, linoleum block print called Vietnam, which I printed 3 adjacent images of in 2018 and did some hand coloring. We have a drawing of 2 pedestrians here and 2 trucks, like on a road, which I drew around 1980. That's from an old sketchbook. I don't know what year, it might have been 1980s, early 90s. A drawing I did at Bubby and Zadie's Deli Coffee House in Champaign-Urbana in 1973. A drawing of an old, now deceased uncle of mine when he was 84, Uncle Al. A drawing of a bird with a festive, like Happy New Year adornment. A proof of a lino cut. Linoleum block is long gone. It's the only extant proof I had. Print made in 1973 called The Mission, after an artwork by the late American painter Raphael Sawyer. And other sketches from 1973, like for sculpture design, a shoe study with laces. 1972, Man and Storm. And some plants, and a detail from a 2016 lino cut memorial about Robert Desnos, the French poet, surrealist poet, and anti-Nazi activist during the French Nazi occupation of France. He was murdered in the Holocaust. All right, we have some allegorical sea monsters here and there. All right, I got at least another 2 or 3 days work getting all the text drawn like with colored pencil and ink. All right, there you have it.